Hello, good evening students. How are you all? So after completing your first three lessons, that is real numbers, polynomials and linear equation in two variables, your fourth chapter is quadratic equations. Okay, so basically when we are coming to the word quadratic equation, before quadratic equation we will be discussing about the basic concepts of quadratic equation, or means what is the meaning of quadratic equation. So first we will be discussing about what is a quadratic polynomial, then quadratic equations, then we will further coming to the chapter quadratic equation and the concepts which we will be discussing in this chapter. So now before coming to the quadratic equation, let's discuss what is a quadratic polynomial. So basically quadratic polynomial means a polynomial of degree 2 is known as a quadratic polynomial. So basically in previous class, that is class 9th, we have discussed what is a polynomial. So polynomial is a expression or is an expression in which the value or the degree of the variable is a non-negative integer. Okay, that means we can say that the general form is an x to the power n plus an minus 1 x to the power n minus 1 plus dot 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 so on plus a0 x, clear, like this. Okay, that means a0 x means this one will be a constant, clear. Okay, a0 means this is a constant, and x to the power 0 means x to the power 0 is nothing but 1. So which is in the form of this one is known as a polynomial, and we denominate polynomial as p in bracket p of x or p of y, so on, clear. Now coming to this quadratic polynomial, so it is written, so quadratic word means what? Degree 2. So if a polynomial is having degree 2, that means the variable, that is x or y or z or any variable which is present in the polynomial is having degree 2, or the highest power of the variable is 2, then that is known as a quadratic polynomial. So basically the general form of quadratic polynomial is this one. So ax square plus bx plus c, where the a is not equal to 0. So you can see that if in ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, if okay 0 नहीं, okay 0 को भूल जाते हैं पहले, this one is the basic polynomial standard form. So if a will be 0, if this one will be 0, so ax square will be 0, this one will be 0. So the remaining polynomial will be bx plus c. So bx plus c will be a linear polynomial. Why linear polynomial? Because the degree of the variable will be 1. Are you getting? So you can take an example like this. Let I am taking 2x square. 2x square plus 3x plus 4. So this one is a quadratic polynomial. Why quadratic polynomial? Because you can see that here the variable power, here the variable power is how much? 2. Are you getting? So therefore it is known as a quadratic polynomial. But if this 2 becomes 0, so this one will be 0x square plus 3x plus 4. So 0x square is nothing but 0. So 0 plus 3x plus 4 is nothing but 3x plus 4. So 3x plus 4 is known as a linear polynomial. Why? Here the variable power is 1, here variable power is nothing means 0. So highest power is 1, so degree is 1. So this one is a linear polynomial. Are you getting my point? So therefore in general form, that is ax square plus bx plus c, your a must not be equals to 0. Are you getting? And a, b and c are all constants, or they are real numbers, or they are constants. So after quadratic polynomial we will be coming to another word. So quadratic word means what? Having degree 2, any variable having degree 2. Now after this one coming to equation. So equation means what? So any expression which is in the form of LHS equals to RHS is known as an equation. You all know better from class 7th. Okay, so after this let's come to the next concept, that is quadratic equation. So what is the that will be the name of your chapter, that is quadratic equation. So quadratic equation means what? You can see if px, so px means it is a polynomial, px is a polynomial in which the variable is x. So px is a polynomial or is a quadratic polynomial, then p of x is equals to 0 is known as a quadratic equation. मान लो कोई भी एक पॉलिनोमियल होगा px, अगर वो 0 के साथ इक्वेट हुआ तो हम उसको बोलेंगे क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. सो यू कैन सी द स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म और द जनरल फॉर्म ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज ax² plus bx plus c equal to 0. So ax² plus bx plus c, this one is a quadratic polynomial, and when LHS is equals to 0, that is it is in the form of LHS equal to RHS, this becomes a quadratic equation. So here you can see that it is written a quadratic equation where a is not equal to 0. a आपका क्या है? a is coefficient of x square, b is coefficient of x, and c is the constant term. So quadratic equation means what? Any equation which is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is known as a quadratic equation. So in the first exercise of your book, for the first thing what you need to know is you need to check whether a particular equation is a quadratic equation or not. So quadratic means what? The highest power or the degree must be 2 of the variable which it is or the polynomial is having. Now see here it is written, I have taken one example, 2x square minus 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. In this you can see that this one is your LHS and this one is your RHS. So it is in the form of LHS equals to RHS. So this one is a quadratic equation. QE means it is a quadratic equation. Now in this it is a quadratic equation because the highest power is 2. Okay, highest power of the variable is 2. So here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3, c equals to 4. So many times what students make mistake is what? They forget the standard form. So in this question if you will be comparing these two, then you will be getting here plus is there, here minus is there, so it will be written plus bracket के अंदर minus 3 into x. Are you getting? So here therefore a equal to 2, b equal to minus 3 and c equal to 4. Now coming to the next question, here I have written a question. State whether the following equation represents a quadratic equation or not. तो हमें देखना है कि ये जो इक्वेशन में लिखा हूँ, ये जो लाइन आपको लिखा हूँ, ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है या नहीं, हमें देखना है. तो अगर आप ये चीज़ देखेंगे तो क्लास 8 बच्चे इसे सॉल्व करते हैं. हम लोग इसको क्या कहते हैं? वी हैव यूज डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रॉपर्टी. सो 2x इंटू एक्स दैट इज इक्वल टू 2x स्क्वायर, 2x इंटू माइनस 3 दैट इज इक्वल टू माइनस 6x प्लस 4. सो x इंटू 2x स्क्वायर, x इंटू प्लस 1 प्लस x plus 5. So it becomes 2x square minus 6x plus 4 is equal to this. So after this what we have done? We have brought all the like terms to one side. जितने भी like terms है सबको मतलब एक तरफ ले आए. तो 2x स्क्वायर ये इस तरफ आ गया, तो ये हो गया 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 6x माइनस प्लस x यहाँ पे था, इस तरफ आ गया तो माइनस x हो गया, प्लस 4, ये प्लस 5 इस तरफ था, इस तरफ आके माइनस 5 हो गया. अगर इसको हम लोग सिंप्लीफाई किए तो ये 2x स्क्वायर माइनस 2x स्क्वायर कितना हो गया? ये 0 कट गया, माइनस 6x और माइनस x हो गया माइनस 7x, प्लस 4 माइनस 5 माइनस 1 हो गया, तो ये क्या हो गया? माइनस 7x माइनस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब दोनों से अगर हम लोग माइनस 1 को कॉमन लेंगे तो यहाँ से माइनस 1 चला जाएगा तो बचेगा 7x, यहाँ से बचेगा प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0. अब देखो ये माइनस 1 यहाँ पे क्या हुआ है? इनटू हुआ है, उस तरफ जाएगा तो क्या होगा? ये हो जाएगा 7x प्लस 1 इज इक्वल टू 0 बाई माइनस 1. सो 0 बाई माइनस 1 इज नथिंग बट इक्वल टू 0. सो हियर वी गॉट 7x इज इक्वल टू माइनस 1. इट इम्प्लाई दैट, और वी कैन से दैट वी नो नीड टू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन. Okay, our value of the variable, we need to just check whether it is a quadratic equation or not. So you can see that we got 7x plus 1 is equals to 0. So this thing 7x plus 1 is equal to 0 is a quadratic equation or not. So you can see that here the highest power of the variable is 1. So if the highest power of the variable is 1, so that is known as a linear equation, not a quadratic equation. So therefore it is written, so it is not a quadratic equation, it is in the form of, as it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. So in your exercise 4.1 you will be getting this type of question, that आपको कोई भी एक क्वेश्चन दिया होगा, उसको बोला होगा कि ये क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन या क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल है या नहीं, इसको चेक करो। सो आप ऐसे उसको सॉल्व कीजिए, जितना भी आपके टर्म्स होंगे सबको LHS में लाइए, राइट हैंड साइड में बस 0 रखिए और देखिए जो LHS आपका है वो ax² प्लस bx प्लस c के फॉर्म में है या नहीं। इफ इट इज़ इन दिस फॉर्म देन इट इज इक्वल्स टू 0, then it is a quadratic equation, otherwise not. There is another question here I have written, is the equation x² minus 6x plus root x minus 3 is a quadratic equation or not? तो क्वेश्चन आपको देखेंगे ये दिया है x² माइनस 6x प्लस रूट एक्स माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू 0। तो सबसे पहला चीज़ है कि ये LHS है, ये आपका RHS है, तो ये एक इक्वेशन है। अब देखते हैं ये क्वाड्रेटिक है या नहीं। तो अगर आप इसमें देखेंगे तो एक क्वाड्रेटिक है या नहीं, आप सोचो इसमें x² माइनस 6x प्लस, तो आप कोई बोलेगा कि सर यहाँ पे x का पावर हाईएस्ट पावर 2 है तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक होगा। कोई किसी का डाउट होगा कि सर यहाँ पे रूट है तो ये क्वाड्रेटिक होगा या नहीं। तो आप ये चीज़ सोचिए, नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं ये चीज़ को डिस्कस करके हम लोग आगे बढ़ेंगे। सो इन दिस वीडियो व्हाट वी हैव डिस्कस, what is an quadratic equation? So quadratic equation is a equation in which the highest power or the degree of variable is equals to 2 and its standard form is ax² plus bx plus c is equals to 0. Okay, so after this what you need to do, you need to solve. Okay, sorry students, we need to solve, you need to solve what, exercise 4.1. okay, solve exercise 4.1 and ask your doubts. okay, after clearing your doubts we will be proceeding further. Thank you.